Ever looked at a bare wall and thought, this needs a garden? Welcome to the Vertical Garden Retreats, where creativity meets nature. Vertical gardens burst with life, transforming mundane spaces into green retreats. Let's explore how it all started. Did you know the first vertical garden emerged in Paris back in the 1980s? It was a revolution in urban landscaping. These living canvases are not just for looks. They improve air quality and enhance urban biodiversity. Who doesn't love that? Plant choice is key. Consider ferns, succulents, and flowering vines to create a stunning display. What's your favorite plant? Remember, match your plants to the light and moisture levels. This is where the magic happens. Now let's quench that thirst. Drip irrigation is a game changer for vertical gardens. It saves water and keeps roots happy. Setting up a drip system? Easy as pie. Let's make sure your plants are always hydrated without the fuss. Where to shop for your garden supplies? Local nurseries offer great selections, plus expert advice to kickstart your green journey. Picture this, your own little paradise in a tiny space. Vertical gardens are perfect for balconies and urban rooftops. Feeling crafty? DIY vertical gardens can be a fun weekend project. Let your creativity flow. Beyond beauty, these gardens reduce noise, save space, and bring nature close to home. How cool is that? Imagine a city where greenery takes over concrete. Vertical gardens are the future of urban living. Ready to jump in? Join the movement. Create your own vertical garden and enjoy the beauty for years to come. What will you plant first? Like what you see. Subscribe for more gardening tips and let's grow together. Join the vertical revolution now.